What is a GoPro camera? First things first, what is a GoPro camera? Well, it's an action camera that's designed to capture high-quality video and photos in extreme conditions. Whether you're surfing, skiing, skydiving, or just enjoying a day at the beach, the GoPro can capture it all. One of the biggest selling points of the GoPro is its size. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around wherever you go. But don't let its small size fool you. The GoPro is packed with features that rival some of the best cameras on the market. Features. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make the GoPro camera so special. Image quality. The GoPro camera captures stunning 4K video and high-resolution photos, ensuring that you get the best quality footage possible. Durability. The GoPro camera is built to withstand extreme conditions. It's waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, making it perfect for all types of outdoor activities. Accessories. The GoPro comes with a wide range of accessories that allow you to mount the camera on your helmet, bike, or even your dog. This makes it easy to capture footage from unique perspectives. Editing. GoPro's editing software, GoPro Studio, is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to create professional-looking videos in no time.